Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to post your Temu link to a Facebook page. So guys, before we begin, if you are not an affiliate yet, please click on my link below so you can sign up to become a Temu affiliate now and start earning some money. So guys, now with that said, first thing that you will do is simply tap on the search bar at the very top, guys. And from here, just simply type in affiliate. And after that, guys, you should be able to go to the affiliate dashboard, and from here just simply scroll down, and after that guys you should be able to see here share to earn. So tap on share to earn over here, guys, and after that you should be able to see here the Facebook application. So just simply tap on the Facebook over here. And from here, guys, as you can see, it will redirect you to the Facebook application into your device, and directly you'll be able to create a post. And from here, just simply provide the text over here. And after that, you'll be able to post it on the top right corner of the screen. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.